my company is different from everyone else's and why you should still keep growing with me. And that's all around creating a moat around your business so that people understand why you're different and unique.
Welcome to Unstoppable Podcast with Harry Sardinas, inspiring conversations with influential millionaires, investors, thought leaders, entrepreneurs who are making a massive difference with their innovative products and services, and sharing the challenges and the wisdom of how they sold their first million.
How would you like to make your first million? And today we have Roberto joining from Los Angeles, LA, and he is the CEO of the digital marketing agency. So Roberto, tell us, what are the 5 steps that you recommend entrepreneurs out there to make the first million?
Well, Harry, first and foremost, thank you so much for having me here. I'm very ecstatic to be here with y'all.
Pleasure.
And just to talk, of course, just to talk a little bit about how to become a millionaire. The first thing is market fit. Understanding if your product or service has a fit is extremely important. It's really difficult to sell something that people are already selling or to do something that other people are already doing. So understanding your market fit will be the first thing I recommend any entrepreneur that's starting off so that you can rocket your growth. And once you identify that market fit, the second step is extremely important, is to test out your product in that market. How do we do that? Rapid prototyping, A/B testing, getting in there, getting your customers to play with your product, to break your product, and then learning from that experience. We called it pivot. In the past, we used to call it making mistakes, but now we call it pivoting. And so, isn't it true, Henry?
Yeah, absolutely. 100%.
So yeah, understanding that market fit. Second thing, test out the product or service. And the third thing is extremely important, probably the most important piece once you identify the product or service and test it on the market. Listen to your customers. It's so important to listen and understand why they love your product and why they don't love your product. Those 3 things are going to expedite your growth if you do them well. The fourth is the marketing and the branding. Okay, we understand what the product is. We think there's a fit in the market. We talk to our customers and we listen to them. Now it's time to jet fuel that growth by developing out your go-to-market strategy. And that's content marketing. Harry, you know it better than anyone. You have an amazing podcast. Creating sticky content, getting and promoting your product or service where your customer is, understanding how much it costs to acquire a customer, and then the 3 P's, friends, the 3 F's, friends, families, and fools to help you grow that company by marketing and acquiring new customers. By then, you should know, it's going to cost me 100,000, 200,000, 300,000 to get to $1 million. And that's when we understand the market fit. We understand how much it costs to acquire a customer. Now for us, it's time to protect our market by differentiating ourselves from the marketplace, by telling people this is why my company is different from everyone else's and why you should still keep growing with me. And that's all around creating a moat around your business so that people understand why you're different and unique. And that's going to help you build your brand so that when you're not in the room, everyone talks about your product and your service.
Follow us for more interviews with world's most influential, audacious entrepreneurs that overcame challenges and adversity, providing you with the blueprint of how they sold their first million so you can grow your business exponentially.